If I'd known you were coming, I'd have baked a cake, baked a cake, baked a cake. If I'd known you were coming, I'd have baked a cake. How'd you do? How'd you do? How'd you do? How'd you drop me a letter? I'd have had a band, grandest band in the land. Had you dropped me a letter, I'd have had a band and spread the welcome mat for you. Oh, I don't know where you came from, 'cause I don't know where you've been. But it really doesn't matter, grab a chair and fill your platter and dig, dig, dig right in. If you'd known you were coming, I'd have baked a cake, hired a band, for goodness sake. If I'd known you were coming, I'd have baked a cake. How'd you do? How'd you do? How'd you do? Pat the cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as quick as you can. Plenty of cream and sugar and ice, and nuts and raisins and honey and spice. Oh, I don't know where you came from, 'cause I don't know where you've been. But it really doesn't matter, grab a chair and fill your platter and dig, dig, dig right in. If I knew you were coming, I'd have baked a cake, I'd have band, for goodness sake. If I'd known you were coming, I'd have baked a cake. How'd you do? 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 How'd you do?